Hi everyone, my name is Krista, and today I'd like to show you how I use CoGrader to export feedback that it has given students. Now, there are a few ways that you can export your feedback once you have approved what CoGrader has said. So once your screen looks like this, where you have gone in and you have looked at the feedback CoGrader gave, and you've made any changes, any tweaks, any improvements, any adjustments to better fit your classroom, and you have approved that feedback, the screen will look like this. So here is a bunch of approved feedback for the student. Now over here, you're going to click export. And when you see that, when you click that, you will see you have a few options. You can send to Google Classroom, you can download PDFs, and you can download a CSV. So let's take a look at how downloading PDFs and downloading the CSV files actually look. So let's start with PDFs. So just click download PDFs. Now you can decide what do you want to include in this summary. Now what I want to really look at and have a PDF copy of is I want the summary, the glow, the grow, and the think about it. So this is data that I'm going to use when I am doing parent-teacher conferences, and I want to have this in PDF form so I can look at each student's work and have a very clear, coherent, data-informed discussion with parents about how their child is doing. So I'm just going to focus on those areas, and I'm going to click export feedback. And yes, I do want to confirm it. And when it is finished exporting, it will be up here in your recent download history or wherever your downloads are saved. It comes as a zip file. And if you open it up, it has individual PDFs for every student. So like I said, this is going to be so helpful for parent-teacher conferences where I can just click through each kid and say, here's something they're doing awesome on, here's something that they are working on, and here's a question that they are addressing to help them make those improvements. So that is what exporting a PDF looks like. Now let's look at exporting a CSV file. So over here, I'm going to navigate to export and download CSV. On this one, I don't want the summary. I do want the glow and the grow. I don't need to think about it. I do want the rubric with this CSV file. And confirm. And once you have confirmed that export, then it just shows up here in your download history again, this time as a feedback.csv. And we're going to open it up and take a look. Okay, so we have all the students' names here. We have their score, we have their glow and grow. And that is a quick tutorial on how to download PDFs and download a CSV file of all of the feedback CoGrader gives you, which can be very useful for many purposes as a teacher.